Finance and HR payroll testing is underway. Extensive testing ensures Connect Carolina will be an effective tool that meets your needs. We are hard at work making sure every piece of the system works properly. There are multiple testing phases, many of which overlap throughout the project. Testing phases include functional, departmental systems, system and integration, parallel, historical reporting, load and performance, and user acceptance. The initial testing is done by the technical and functional analysts and centers on testing pieces of the system. This is critical to ensure we catch errors prior to putting all the pieces together. As bugs are found, we fix them and retest. The next stage, system and integration testing, is a lengthy iterative process in which actions are tested end-to-end across finance, HR, payroll, and campus solutions. Some campus users will help test during this phase. The last stage is user acceptance testing, in which many users will test the system and business owners will sign off that everything is ready for go live. Months and months of testing helps us deliver a system that works as expected at go live in January 2014.